What's going on, guys? Dan from Main Event Emblems here. Today we're going to be installing our brand new RGB prototype of the 2017 and up Super Duty Fender badges. We're going to walk you through a little bit of removing the OEM badge. We're going to talk about the wiring, we're going to talk about the RGB, and we're going to show you the install of the brand new badge as you see here. Super pumped about these. We love this product because of how versatile it is. We got 4 different color options. We got the border, we got the base, we got the vertical and the horizontal text. Whether it's a company, your truck nickname, something that you support, we can totally customize these to match the theme of your truck and to go with the overall color scheme that you're trying to achieve. Without further ado, let's get started on the install of these fender badges. This can be a little bit of a tricky process. The clips behind can be hard to get off. You might break them. If you do, don't worry about it so much. To do this, what you do is you open the door, fit your hand back there. There's 4 tabs, one here, 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 and here. You start with this tab, you kind of get your fingers back there and pry it off. Once you get a handhold, you should be able to pop off the rest of the tabs fairly easily. You might break a tab. If you do, don't worry too much about it because you can always 3M tape the badges on later if you do decide to go with the stock badges again. But yeah, they're pretty tricky to get off, so have some patience and try to weasel them off as best you can. All right, so right now we're just gonna do a little bit of surface prep. We gotta wipe the surface. You don't wanna do this with like a spray wax or something that's slippery because you really want this tape to grip into the paint, so you don't want anything oily in between. Okay, so right now we're gonna be installing our new badges. We already have the wiring run. The infrared controller is down here. It is not waterproof. We're doing this for the install. The infrared controller should be installed on the inside of the cab, and we'll show you where to do that. This is the infrared controller here with the power source here. Here is the infrared remote. This should be mounted maybe somewhere underneath here. As long as this infrared receiver can be seen and this is sort of out of the way in a nice dry spot because this isn't waterproof. There's multiple options for running this wiring. There's actually, on these vehicles, there is a plug underneath for running board lights that you could tap into. We find that to be a great option because the lights will turn on when you open the door or you can hit the unlock key on your remote. We like that because you don't have to decide when to turn on and off the badges. You never forget them on. There's a lot of benefits to that. If you don't want to do that, you could run through the firewall to the inside of your cab. You could put a switch underneath your dash. You could hook up to your auxiliary switches to an option like ride controller or to another option of your choosing. We're going to plug this in the little connector here with the extension cable. We're going to plug it into our existing line that we've already run. And then just peel off the 3M and stick it. So here you just align the 2 arrows. This is actually RGBW and an RGB, but it doesn't interfere with the connection of it. So this stuff peels off pretty easily. You just kind of gotta peel off the little the backings here to reveal the tape. Going to, when we hit unlock here, you can see they turn on. I just got it on flash right now showing all the different colors. Really convenient. I love the on and off function because when you're walking up to your vehicle and you hit unlock and it turns on, that's, of course, you're able to do that with RGB but also with our other white, red, blue standard colors. So right here I just have the infrared controller. As I said, there's going to be a Bluetooth option as well. Some of you guys might like that, or you just go with your ride controller or a different app that works for it. You can do kind of whatever works. We want to make these products compatible with the system that you already have set up, so it'll work best for you.